The Student Chapter Liaison in the SPE Egypt Young Professionals Board. And today I'm going to present a brief presentation about the new program which we are about to launch soon. It's called ONG, Oil and Gas Simulation Educational Week. First of all, I'm going to start with a brief slide about the young professionals' vision. Young professionals involves engineers from 35 years and younger. Its vision is to be the voice of SPE within the young professionals and vice versa. It also tries to support the young professionals by enhancing their personal skills and technical skills. Finally, the main part which we are going to elaborate on today, SPE Young Professionals links the professionals with the student chapters. It tries to enhance their technical skills and personal skills because those students are going to be the future of the petroleum industry. Speaking from this point, the SPE Egypt Young Professionals created an initiative. It's called Oil and Gas Simulation Educational Week. Throughout this quick presentation, I'm going to go through about the program itself, then more details about the program, then timeline, and finally a quick conclusion. The Oil and Gas Simulation Educational Week aims to develop the practical sense of the students in the petroleum engineering in general. Well, the students have a academic knowledge, but they lack the practical one. This program will actually let the students go through crisis, operations troubles and problems, and how to troubleshoot them. It will also give them the practical sense of numbers. It also will give them actual business considerations parallel to those technical considerations. The program will consist of 7 groups. Each group, 5 of them will represent oil and gas exploration and production companies. The group will consist of 5 students, 10 students with 5 mentors. And there will also be 2 companies which will represent processing companies. Each processing company will have 3 mentors. Therefore, those five companies, they are responsible for the G&G part, drilling, production, and the reservoir engineering, and they will deliver the crude to the other 2 companies, which will start putting the processing plan. The program itself, there will be 5 mentors. They will cover 6 topics: G&G, reservoir, drilling, petroleum engineering, production, and economics. The technical committee and mentors span many companies, including Agiba, Gapco, Babetco, IOC, British Petroleum, Schlumberger, Halliburton, Baker Hughes, and Pico. We also welcome more mentors. If you'd like to join us, you can speak to me or Hazm Absatar after the presentation. The program itself, now talking about the phases, the program. First part, it will span the G&G part, involves the seismic mapping and geological modeling. Then the second phase, it will span the petroleum engineering part itself, along with the processing. Now let us elaborate on the program itself. First of all, there will be the kickoff session. The kickoff session is scheduled to take place on 31st of December. Emails will be sent to you, gentlemen and ladies, and along with the time and venue. After that, we will go to the student preparation part. In the student preparation part, the students, after the kickoff session, they have been familiar with the educational week itself. They have been given some tools and knowledge that they have to get acquainted with. They will prepare presentations in about 2 months. Then finally, they will present the presentations day. After the presentation day, we will go to the simulation educational week. It consists of 3 days for the petroleum engineering students, while GNG will only have 2 days. The simulation part itself isn't just like any other graduation project. Actually, there will be crises. The students will be placed under a lot of stress. Actually, they have to be creative and create ideas to solve solutions at the spot. The Simulation Educational Week is scheduled to take place on March 2012. Finally, the Oil and Gas Simulation Educational Week helps introducing new caliber students to the industry. The student selection part has been over, and now we are in the part of arranging for the kickoff session. Actually, we think that, or we're definitely sure, the Oil and Gas Simulation Educational Week will change the history of SPE Young Professionals. The sponsors, right now we would like to thank Inventure for joining us as a silver sponsor. We also have Schlumberger, Eventure, Pico, and Egyptian Drilling Skills as technical sponsors. We also welcome any other sponsors. We right now are in the process of negotiating with other sponsors to join us. If you're interested in joining us as a sponsor, you can also talk to me after the presentation or Hazan, etc. Thanks a lot.